hike day, Saturday. Gonna start a hike to the Pedra Bonita mountain. Gonna see the city of Rio from a different perspective today. I got 2 clients from US, and here we go. Woo-hoo! I would say this is a moderate advanced. Oh, it depends how fit are you. Well, we are now 10 minutes in. Enjoy the view. That's a cappuccino monkey. Hey, what's up, bro? Let me ask you one thing. How do you rank this hike so far?
Easy.
Easy, right?
For the hikes I usually do. I like to get away from the monkeys.
We don't have food, bro. We don't have food for you. We shouldn't feed you anyway. Hola. Hello. 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 On the way down, everybody's happy. One thing that I should have thought about better is repellent. Come on. Oh. Yeah, they love my blood. And just clarifying about the mosquitoes in the forest, these are called the muriçoca mosquitoes. They are not the mosquitoes that Aedes aegypti or other mosquitoes that transmit disease such as dengue, Zika, so on. And it's considered an urban mosquito. So the mosquitoes here, they're fine. It just itches. We are now 30 minutes in. Just talked to some people. It's another 5 minutes we're there. Here we are. They're a little foggy, but also beautiful. It's known as the monster of Gavia. So this is Barra da Tijuca, west side of Rio de Janeiro. This beach has something around 9 miles extension. And then you go to the natural reserve areas. That's another story of Rio, Prainha, Grumari Beach, so on. But we've made it. Accomplishment.